winds roam far above the fields of home. Colors stretch in gentle lines, opening the heart and mind. From this height the world looks clear. Edges fade and pathways near. Every thought begins to rise, lifting visions to the skies. This is where the mind can see all the shapes of what could be, drifting past the daily strain, free from weight and earthly chains. Still the ground remains your guide, waiting when the dreams subside. Let the view inspire your plan, then return to where you stand. Ideas bloom in open air, framed by sunlight everywhere. Every dream unfolds in space, growing at a steady pace. Yet this place of floating grace needs the earth to form its base, blending clarity and ground helps new futures to be found. This is where the mind can see all the shapes of what could be, drifting past the daily strain, free from weight and earthly chains. Still the ground remains your guide, waiting when the dreams subside. Let the view inspire your plan, then return to where you stand. Then return to where you stand. The sky gives vision, the earth gives form.